This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 6, TV, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, skylight, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bedroom, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is 6,265 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.